Bali kusema weba bifaananyi bawe bikulinda totumalira budde.
He walked away instead after removing the mask. I have his photo here. Wadimba, what's his other name? Anthony Wadimba is a former personal assistant to Norbert. He is a former contestant on DP ticket in Kayunga. He's part of the team that went and threw themselves down at the Electoral Commission. So when you want to know who has brought this, he's Anthony Wadimba. Okay? I saw him personally. I have his photo here. He was, I'm speaking English, okay? And very basic English. Let me repeat. When I